How to get your profile verified on People Per Hour. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get your profile verified on People Per Hour. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your People Per Hour account, and then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and click on it. Clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll see options like Post Project, Dashboard, Profile, Freelance Activity, Payment Settings. Ensure you click on the Settings option. By clicking on the Settings page, under the option Settings, we have other tabs such as General, Notifications, Payments, Privacy, Availability. Ensure you click on Payments. So by clicking on payment, you will be brought to the payments page. The next stage will be to go to the identification document tab. Move to the right side, click on the add option, and then you'll be required for you to upload any document, any identification documents that are needed. Now it's displaying we do not require any document at this time for me. All right, this is for my own account at this moment. But for you, only click on the option add, and then you'll be required to upload identification documents such as your ID, your driver's license, and all of that. Ensure you upload them, and then after uploading them, you will be able to verify your account successfully on People Per Hour. So this is how you can verify your profile on People Per Hour. Thank you for watching and have a good day.